Alright, so here we have 3 American Standard Silver Series air conditioners running. 2 are from, one is from 2019, or this one is from 2018, and this one is from 2016. Here's American Standard Silver, 2019. Line scroll. Yeah, interlink. That's cold and sweaty. I'm not exactly sure what this thing is here. 2019, 3.5 ton. What's going on? Here's this 2018. Something just turn off. Silver Series. Line scroll, orange one. Interlink fan motor as well, I think. I feel like it's slightly on the low end, but 2018 4 ton. But yeah, that's cold. Let's see. Let's see if you guys notice the fan changing. Yeah, it kind of does. This one, here's the 2016. Light scroll. This one actually has a louder one. 2016 5 ton. This one has been here for a while. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the fan. That's very cold. Yeah, this one has quite the noise to it. It's 2016. And I'll get the view from above. So yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.